pupunta tayo sa city. Sabihin natin, bakit nag-watch na kami ng vlog. Hi!
Kasi may tatang.
Hoy! Hoy, kaura na yung vlog. Ano yung lawan? Ano, kaura? Ay, kuwan mo kayo, wait sa. Hi, te! Ulawan! Ate, uy! Ulaan? Oo, mukha na siyang event.
Hindi nga ba?
Kaya talaga. Thank you. Salamat. Ay. Thank you, ha. Mga kapitbahay namin sa Dorian, San Miguel. Tingnan niyo silang lahat. Nuog sila ng vlog na. Maklaro ba?
O, okay na.
Ay, asin mo, ate. Hello. Lahat na lang. Ay, ulawa kay ano yun. Nakakahiya talaga.
Yapel si Saindet.
Gani.
South Africa rin.
Africa daw. Nakakahiya talaga, uy. Shout out. Iyeng.
Shout out na sa mga kabataan.
Shout out sa Shout out sa Kasil family. Andito talaga yung TV nila. Thank you.
So, historical donation.
Salamat. Mag-watch sa bikuan kanang musikahan. Bye-bye.
To submit, Kon. Bye.
Asa entrance natin? Andito na po tayo ngayon sa historical. Ano ba yan? Andito na po tayo ngayon sa historical dito po sa Tagum City. At papasok tayo dito sa may entrance. Dito na po tayo ngayon sa historical sa Tagum. Saan ang entrance ano? We are invited by the CCP Cultural Center of the Philippines Director, si Ate Chinga. Sa entrance, dali.
Magkuhan na gid ko. Mag-video na ko mag.
Ang director sa CCP. Ito na lang. Sige, nakita na ako.
Sige, wait sa, te. Magkuhan sa kumag.
And the first batch of the Sing Philippines Youth Choir was launched with the collaboration of the Cultural Center of the Philippines and the Philippine Magical Singers, drawing inspiration from Professor Andrea O. Veneracion, founder of the Philippine Magical Singers and national artist for music. Currently, there are 4 batches of the SPYC, as we are fondly called, and a total of 200 singers from different parts of the country. The first of its kind among the ASEAN region. I am Jeff from the Ilocos region in the province of Ilocos Sur. Aside from providing opportunities where the Filipino youth could come together and learn from each other, the SPYC, as ambassadors of goodwill, have actively promoting Philippine culture and the arts through choral singing, not only in the Philippines, but in the different parts of the world.
As
SPYC successfully represented the country in the 2022 Busan Choral Contest. And just last October 2024, through the efforts of the Cultural Center of the Philippines and its partner organizations, the SPYC took on the gargantuan task of performing in different parts of Spain and Portugal and participating in the prestigious Tolosa Choral Contest in Tolosa, Spain. Proudly, SPYC placed fourth out of about 16 choirs in the two categories that we joined. I, Isla, from Cebu City, Region 7, was part of that group that won. Tonight, we would like to share 2 of the 10 songs that we sang during that competition. We will sing Danchantik and Neguan Orbela, both by native composers from Tolosa, the Basque region of Spain. With songs by icons Sharon Cuneta and the rock band The Dawn.
Musikahan sa Tagum Foundation and the Tagum City Tourism, Arts and Culture Council to formally close this evening, Ms. Alma L. Uy.
Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests, participants, and music lovers, as we draw the curtains on this year's Musikahan Festival, I want to take a moment to express our deepest gratitude to all who have made this celebration of music and culture truly unforgettable experience. From the vibrant harmonies of the National Rondalia Competition to the awe-inspiring performances in the Himig Handog International Choral Competition, this festival has showcased the incredible talent and passion of musicians from all corners of our nation. Hantod sa sunod tuig, see you at Musikahan Festival, maayong gabi and stay.
Thank you very much, Ms. Alma Uy. Once again, the Sing Philippines Youth Choir under Mr. Timothy Paul Atencio, apprentice conductor. Thank you very much for joining us this evening. Mabuhay po kayong lahat.
Ay, oo nga. Oo nga, no? Nabalik na sila.
Ay, si ma'am. Bababa na rin si ma'am. Saglit lang.
Congrats!
Thank you for coming. Bye.
Picture!
Ayan na, ayan na. Picture with Ma'am Ann.
Sir Team kami, Sir Team.
Ay, sumama kayo. Babo, sumama kayo sa picture.
Ako picture, be.
Saan si ma'am? Ay, si ma'am. Babo! Ah, alin na?
Ako picture, be.
Alin?
Timoy, may timoy.
Babo! Akyat na ba?
1, 2, 3.
Girls, huwag kayo umupo dyan. Ahay. Boys lang. Nakaupo na sila.
Patay, lahat na.
All boys. Girls, Happy boy. Sila muna.
Nabita ko sa inyo, kanaw niya siya.
Lem. Sila muna po. Ba't hindi ka sumama?
Robot!
Sabay kami.
Sige, pabayaan mo. Okay, thank you. Sila muna. Si Miss Chingay. Sabi ni Drex. Hindi balance ang boy. Sir Mala. Dalawa, lista. Bakit nahigit na mabigla? Yes. Compress po tayo. Okay. Ayan. Arlie yun. Arlie. Picture tama din. Hindi picture lang. Picture din ako.
apil.
Already! 1, 2! 1, 2! 1, 2! 1, 2!
Ti. Apil dito, video lang po. Video lang po. Picture daw sila. Video dah. Si Paleo pagkuti.
Aliran.
On na ne.
Next time.
Kasi dili mo kaya compensation.
Ay, sige. Hello, kambay. Sa tago. Masama lang
Sister ba daw? Sa mother.
Bitigwin dati.
Hoy, Uber! Dili.
Sa Style Avenue Gowns and Events.
Sa man.
sa may
Kapitol.
Oo, sa ilahan ni Ate May nga building. Imuha na na. Dito nagarenta ako pag umansol.
Ay, salamat sir.
Kato pagpa nila pag sa tawagan eh. GS Club. Ang padihan natin ko at kay Dali na kay Dali. PM
PM lang po.
Sure.
Ha?
Sure.